Introducing the WASLR series, Westgate's T8-Ready 4-foot wraparound, combining the timeless wraparound design with modern LED flexibility, giving you the freedom to choose the lamps that best fit your space. The WASLR series features a standard 4-foot, 2-lamp LED-ready housing, designed to accept T8 LED lamps for efficient, customizable lighting. The traditional wraparound design makes the WASLR an effortless upgrade or retrofit for existing fluorescent systems. Perfect for offices, schools, garages, and utility rooms. Anywhere reliable, efficient lighting is needed. Be sure to explore all of our 4-foot T8 lamps compatible with the WASLR series at westgatemfg.com. Simply head to the top navigation bar, select Products, then LED lamps, and choose LED T8 lamps to view our full lineup and find the perfect match for your project. Upgrade your lighting with confidence. The WASLR series LED-ready 4-foot 2-lamp wrap from Westgate. To learn more, scan the QR code on screen or search WASLR. Westgate Manufacturing. The future is here, and it's quite bright.